Today, you'll be joining me in the Healthy Lifestyle Kitchen. I'll be preparing a promised dish. It's jackfruit PBP, jackfruit plant-based protein. Grains, fruits, nuts, and vegetables constitute the diet chosen for us by our Creator. Welcome to Sojourners Outhouse TV, brightening the path for stumbling and weary feet. I'm Pauline. I asked you the last time to identify that fruit, and the fruit was identified as jackfruit. Here, 2 cups of jackfruit, and it was in the freezer. And it's organic jackfruit. What I'm going to do is take a knife or my hands and just kind of mince it up. So 2 cups of jackfruit. So this is 8.5 cups of organic gluten flour. Okay, what the packet looks like. Organic. You could get it on Amazon. Okay, so it's organic wheat gluten. There's a cup of water just in case I need it. So after I'm done combining the ingredients, I'm going to kind of leave it to sit maybe for a few minutes and then boil it. Let's say 45 minutes to an hour. And I'll show you the finished product. Look at the texture. It's plant, right? Plant-based protein. And so 1.5 cups organic gluten flour. Okay, 1.5 cups organic gluten flour. So as I ended up using 2 cups of the organic gluten flour. So after I put it in there, I realized it was just kind of like separating. So I decided to just kind of stop the process and decide now to put another 1/2 cup. So total of 2 cups of organic gluten flour. It has used up all the moisture already, Sojourners. It's going to go ahead and just put a little water. So we did use the water after all, Sojourners. We needed it. And we're going to just kind of put it in balls. I'm thinking about 3 balls, Sojourners. And then the water is on the fire. And I'm just going to put it in there. When it comes to a boil, you will see the finished product when it's cooked. All right? And maybe I could show you in the pot boiling. And you'll see the finished product. Okay, Sojourners. So I was able to kind of form them in balls. And I'm going to be boiling them soon. I'm going to go ahead and put them in the water. Woo! Praise God. All right. Yeah. I would like you to share in the comment section different dishes that you could prepare from this PBP, jackfruit PBP. I have to start uploading more videos, healthy lifestyle recipes, because the persons I work with from time to time, they need, different ideas of how to prepare various plant-based dishes. And so I really have to get back into the healthy lifestyle kitchen and upload more videos so that they can benefit. Thanks for watching.